So check this out, guys. Did you know you could make up to this amount right here with CPA marketing just by utilizing two platforms right here in conjunction with Cpagrip right now, which are actually Amazon right here and also this platform called Facebook. And if you do stick on to watch this video right now, I'm going to walk you through the strategy I actually did use to make such amounts in just a single day right now, and the day is still going on. So I'm just going to make much more money right here with this particular strategy each and every single day. So what you need to do is to sit back, watch this video to learn and utilize this strategy to also go on to making money online. And guys, if you're new to my channel, I create videos about CPA marketing, affiliate marketing, and how to make money online. If you like such content, scroll to my channel. There are a lot of videos that can actually help you out right there. You will want to also make sure that you subscribe to the channel and your notification bell is turned on all to always get alerted whenever I release videos that could help you go on to boosting your income online. And with that being said, and without further ado, let's dive right into the video of today. Basically, first of all, you want to come onto this platform called Amazon right here, and this is actually an amazing online shopping platform you could just simply take advantage of. Supposing I do come right here and select this all section, you'll be able to see that you can actually go on to selecting a category which you want to focus on to continue your shopping. As you can see right here, you could shop by department, focusing on either electronics, computers, smart home, arts and craft, and you may want to just select see all. And right here, if you do keep on scrolling through, you'll be able to see other kind of categories right here you could focus on. I'm just going to focus on the pet supplies right here. Maybe I want to just simply stick on with dogs, and if I just select dogs right here, I will only be able to see products available for dogs right now. And you can see a lot of these products right here are actually best sellers right here. Some are actually going to be recommended by Amazon right here because they are actually getting a lot of sales. You can see this one actually goes for about $60 right now, and it has about 200 reviews right here. And not everybody that actually purchases products on platforms such as this actually goes on to leaving reviews right now. About 40% or 60% of people does not leave reviews right now, or this particular stuff which they actually do purchase. So which is why, guys, you can actually do see right here that people are actually making lots of cool cash with this particular on this particular platform right here. And supposing I want to just simply focus on this one right now, which is this product, which is the wobble ball, I'm just going to select that right now. It's going to take me to the page where I can see more details about this right here. And you can see right here that you actually have some other images right here for this right now, including a video right here. As you can see, you have a video for this right here. If you want to just simply go on downloading any of the image, just simply select that right here, and you want to just simply right click on the image, then save the image on your device. You can download as many of the images as you can see right here, because we are actually going to be utilizing that later in promoting this particular offer and getting some cool traffic to this. So basically, guys, most people do not actually need to go on to getting sales to this. If you get sales to this, you're actually just simply directing people to this particular product. But if you get sales to that, Amazon takes the profit, and you also going to be making some cool cash with CPA marketing utilizing this strategy. So basically, what you want to do right now is to just simply copy the link to this page right here, and you want to head onto this CPA marketing platform called Cpagrip. It is quite easy to go on to creating an account. What you want to do is to just simply create an account. It's quite easy, then log into your account. So guys, you can see I'm back into my account right here, and the next thing which you want to do is to head onto this page which I am right now, which is the URL file locker section. To get to this page, hop onto this section, select the monetization tools, of which you'll be shown a drop down list. Select the URL file locker, be brought to this page right here, and you want to just simply go on to clicking on create new URL file locker, agree to the terms of service, click on continue right here. And if you do that right now, guys, it's actually going to take you to this page where you could just simply create your URL file locker right now. So right now, guys, I'm just going to go on to paste in that link right here in this URL file locker section. When the link has been pasted, I'm going to come onto this particular template section and go on to selecting a template which I actually want to utilize right here. I could utilize any of this template right here. Just simply going to selecting one of these templates. Maybe I can select this one right now, which says begin download right here. You can actually change this particular template right now from begin download to something else right here, something like click here to continue. I'm just going to leave it as click here right here. This looks quite better. Then now you want to insert an image right now, which is one of the image to this particular product right here. So if I want to insert an image, maybe I'm just going to select this image, right click on the image and save the image on my device. Once the image has actually been saved on my device right now, I'm just going to head onto this platform called the imageresizer.com. As with this platform, you can go on to resizing an image right here, and to resize that, you just want to come right here, go on to selecting an image from your device right now, which is that image right there, which we just simply downloaded. So if I do come onto this section, I'm going to select that image. As you can see, the image is actually being uploaded. So right now for the height and width, I'm just going to change this to 500 by 500 right here. So you can see right here that this has actually been changed right now. The reason for me resizing this is that if I actually do come right here, or maybe I get back to this platform and just simply right click on the image and copy the image address, head back to my URL file locker and actually go on to inserting that in this section right here and click on submit, you actually see right here that the image required to be looking quite too big for this particular content. So if I do refresh and preview, you'll be able to see that the image is quite too big for this right now, which is why I actually went on to resizing this in this section. So right now, once I'm done right here, I'm just going to click on resize image and I will be able to go on to resizing the image and also download the image on my device. Once the image has been downloaded on my device, you then want to just simply head onto any platform of your choice to go on to uploading that particular image. So maybe I could actually just go onto a new tab and just simply search for imgur.com. And if I do head onto Imgur right now, guys, as you can see, all I need to do is to click on new post. If I click on new post, I'm going to be brought to this page right here, and I'm just going to go on to selecting or choosing video right here or file. And this is actually the second one, the one I actually resized right now. If you do select the resized image right there, as you can see, this is it. I'm just going to go on to copying the image address by right clicking on the image, copy the image address, head back to this section and go on to changing the image. So to change the image right here, I'm going to delete that previous one and paste in the new one right here and click on submit right now, and this image quite looks better right now. So if I actually come right here and refresh preview right here, you can see it actually looks quite better compared to the previous one right there, and you can see right here it's looking quite good. So once you're done right here, click on save right now and your URL file locker would be created. I forgot to name the URL file locker, but you can give it the name of your choice. Click on get link right now, copy the link to the URL file locker, and next step is to go on to creating a simple landing page. You can utilize this platform right here called the Google site to create a simple landing page. And here's the landing page which I created for this purpose right here. As you can see, a wobble wag giggle right here, which is actually a wobble ball for dogs. I utilized the images which I got from that particular product on the Amazon right there to create a simple landing page, and I'm actually telling them I'm giving them a discount off right here, which is actually a 50% discount. And guys, what I actually did was that I went onto this platform. As you can see, this is the exact price right here. I doubled the price by 2 and actually told them I'm giving them a 50% discount, which is still this exact same price. And you can actually do see that in my landing page right here. So that's what this actually entails, and this section I actually linked to my URL file locker right now, and for them to gain access to purchasing this particular stuff, they are going to go through my URL file locker. So basically guys, you can create a landing page. I'm not going to show you how I did this because I have some videos on my channel that's going to show you how to do just that. If you want to learn that, come onto this section, click on this search icon and just simply search for landing page while on my page right now or on my account right here. If you do go to my channel and search for landing page, you'll be able to see some videos I created for you on how you could create a landing page. This one shows you how you could create a landing page with the Google site. This is also with Google site right here. This is with the system.io. This is with Webflow. This is with Basic Cloud. And you can actually do see that there are cool videos that could help you out right now. So utilize such videos, create simple landing pages right now such as this, and go on to just simply publishing the page and copy the landing page link to head on to promoting that. To promote that, we're going to utilize this platform called Facebook, and since we're promoting something related to dogs, I'm just going to go on to searching for dog lovers. And if I do search for dog lovers right now, you can see a lot of groups right here that are actually for dog lovers, and you want to just simply focus on groups that actually have about at least 5 posts per day right now. As you can see, this one has 10 plus posts per day, this also 10 plus posts per day, this is 8 posts per day, 6 posts per day. Just make sure you're focusing on groups having at least 5 posts per day, as that indicates that the group is actually having some cool engagement right there. So if I select any of this group right now, all I need to do is to just simply write out something quite cool and simple right now in this section. So guys, once you put in something like this which says, can someone please recommend me a good wobble ball for my dog, and you post this on this platform right here, most of the times guys, about 90% or 99%, the admin will actually accept this post, because you're not posting any link, you're not breaching any rules. Admin actually accepts this post, and this will be posted on this platform right here, and you're actually going to be getting some cool engagement like likes, recommendations, comments on this particular post. And once you actually start getting that right there, you just need to go on to drop in a simple comment right now, and that comment is quite easy right now, which you just want to just simply use to promote that your CPA or URL file locker or your landing page link. And that comment guys should just be something like, thank you all for your comment, I just found a good deal here for 50% off. I'm excited, and you want to just introduce your landing page link right there, and that will enable you get some cool traffic to that offer, because once people start seeing that engagement in the comment section, they'll be able to go on to clicking on that link, head on to that particular post landing page, which will also lead them to your URL file locker, and you make money right there once they complete such offers and go on to that Amazon product. So this is quite amazing right here. Utilize this strategy to make money online. You could also head back to as many other dog lovers group or dog related groups to utilize this strategy and make some cool cash. And if this video was helpful, why not just simply smash the like button to the video, subscribe to the channel, and ensure your notification bell is turned on all. Thank you all for watching, and goodbye.